Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change subtitle language on your DYON Movie Smart TV. First, let's navigate to the sidebar from the home screen, then select Settings. Then in Settings menu, navigate down to Accessibility tab and open it. From here, go to Subtitle Settings. Make sure that subtitles are enabled. If they are enabled, then in the subtitle menu you will have either subtitle or hard of hearing subtitles option selected. Then to change the subtitles language, you're gonna have to go to either Primary Subtitle to change the first subtitle language, and here you can select a different language from the list, and in Secondary Subtitle you can select the second subtitle language. And that's how you do it. Once you leave this menu, the changes will be applied. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.